Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about coordinate covalent bond, the bond formed between two atoms by sharing of one electron pair which is contributed by the one of the two atoms is called coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons present in outermost shell. It has short of 3 electrons to get octet configuration. Hydrogen has 1 electron present in outermost shell. It has short of 1 electron to get duplet structure. Now hydrogen and nitrogen sharing a pair of electron, it forms covalent bond. Now nitrogen and hydrogen both got stabilized by sharing of electron pair. It forms NH3. Now nitrogen has still a pair of electron present, that is lone pair electrons. In hydrogen, whenever it lost one electron, it forms H plus. It has short of 2 electrons to get duplet structure. In NH3, here nitrogen has one more electron pair present, it is lone pair. It donate a pair of electrons to H plus. It gets stabilized or it gets duplet structure. It forms dative bond. It is NH4 plus ion. Here a pair of electrons completely donating from nitrogen. Here hydrogen H plus has no electrons. This is dative bond or coordinate bond. In NH4 plus ion has two bonds are present. One is the covalent bond, other is the coordinate covalent bond. Because here nitrogen and hydrogen both are sharing a pair of electrons and donating electrons from each other. But here in dative bond, nitrogen only is donating a pair of electrons to hydrogen. That is the dative bond. Here nitrogen is donor, hydrogen is the acceptor. Coordinate bond is denoted by arrow. In complex compounds, dative bonds are present. In AlH2O6 plus 3, these are the dative bonds. Thank you for watching.